how to get Sandwood marker in Find the Markers Roblox. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So what you want to do first is head on to spawn right here. So once you're in spawn, what you want to do is go right here to the old shop right there. And after that, what you want to do is to just simply go straight and then just simply turn right. And then once you're here, just go straight forward. Just keep going straight right there until you reach this section right here. So once you're here, what you want to do is to just simply just keep walking straight until you see a hole right there. So just find that hole and then there you go. So in here, you now found the sandwood marker right here. So yeah, so what you want to do is to just simply go close to it, click on it, and then there you go. It says right there, you found the sandwood marker. And after that, if you want to get out of here, what you want to do is just simply climb this ladder right here. So just climb up. And then there you go. You're now out and then you've now got the sandwood marker. So yeah. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to find the sandwood marker in Roblox's Find the Marker.